What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be doing unrecognizable makeup without breaking the bank. Before you go into the video, make sure you like the video. Like the video if you like this look already. Like the video if you just like me. Like the video if you want to see me succeed. Like the video if you love my lip combo, because I'm gonna go into details when it comes to this lip combo. Like the video, it helps, guys. Skin prep and brows was done off camera, so make sure you do that. I started doing my makeup back in 2016 or 2017, and the true trick to putting on eyeshadow is to really dab it in first and then blend out the edges. Literally exactly what I'm doing. But not gonna lie to you, this shimmer part really give me a hard time. You see, am I going like some of it together and it look nice? Anyways, onto the concealer. I was told by my makeup artist that I need to go in with deep colors in the e.l.f. Camo concealer, so that's what I'm doing, and it actually came out way better than doing like a really bright under eye. We're definitely going for unrecognizable but not ghost mode. Let me know in the comments if you like a more natural look. So for foundation, I'm not gonna believe this, but I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me matte poreless foundation in the shade Mocha. And to apply it, I'm using a really dense brush I got from Sephora to just press it into my skin. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I might switch from beauty blender to concealer brushes because I did invest in some brushes from Amazon. I want to say invest at just $6. Just $6, okay? For these brushes. So if you guys want that, it's in my Amazon storefront in the link in my bio. But anyway, the trick to actually making your concealer like stay in place or go wherever you want it to go, just let it dry down a little bit, because I realized that the more I let my concealer dry down, the better it blend out and the better it stay in place. So try that and see how it work out for you. So far, guys, all the products that I'm using is all under $10. And you're gonna see, oh, I'm unrecognizable at the end of this video. So I was watching Young Africana on YouTube, and what she said was put your contour a little bit higher on your cheekbones to get a more chiseled look. So that's what I'm doing there. And then after that, now you blend in your concealer and your contour into each other, like, and you see, oh, it give you like a flawless finish. I really love this method, so I'm gonna continue to do it. All these years of doing makeup, like, must still a learn, but I know so the majority of the time when you're doing your makeup, you're literally just blending all the products into each other. So you're gonna see me blend majority of this video. Now to set my under eye, I'm going in with my Sascha Buttercup, but I'm just gonna press the powder into my skin first, like just for set everything, and then I'm gonna bake. Oh yeah, girl, I almost forget, set your concealer in the middle of your nose with the Sascha Buttercup as well. Don't fight me, girl. I know the Sascha Buttercup is definitely on a higher end than all the other products when it comes to like the price, but trust me, you're not gonna need to buy another one in a long time. To blend out all the harsh lines, I'm always gonna go back in with my powder brush. To apply my black eyeliner, I'm literally pulling down my under eye and applying it on my waterline. And that's how you do it without crying. Mascara is literally self-explanatory. You just apply it on your lashes. I don't do it on my waterline all the time, but yeah, I'm just applying it on my lashes so it blend good with my falsies. So while we're here, guys, have you guys done your vision board for 2025? For some reason, I don't even start mine, but one of my main goals is to monetize on YouTube, definitely. And you're struggling to get to 1,000 subscribers? I'm just gonna tell you, it's quick and easy. All you do is post on shorts. The same content that you use on TikTok, you post it on shorts. I'm telling you, it's going to cause people to follow you day by day. It worked for me in 30 days, so I know it's going to work for you. Just try it. I'm learning day by day with this whole process of YouTube and long form content, because I feel like I have a good grasp of short form content, but long form content, I'm getting there. So we can go together, girl. Like, we can do this. Anyways, we're at the stage of makeup where you just have to trust the process. Like, I always get to this stage and I'm just like, oh my God, what am I doing? But you just have to trust the process. It will work out. Trust and believe. Now, this step is crucial, girl, because if you're like me and you love show you're 32, make sure you set those smile lines. For lashes, we're definitely gonna have to do another video because I learned this over time, guys. This is not no 1 2 3 step. How me look, girl? How me look? I know I'm unrecognizable right now, but how do I look? Tell me in the comments what you think. When I first started doing my makeup, I was using my fingers to do my eyelashes, but then I started to use my tweezers. And tweezers, obviously, you have to be really careful because you don't want to blind yourself, girl. Anyways, just let me know if you guys want a video like that, and I'll definitely record that video. Now, blush is definitely in from 2024 coming over into 2025, and I realized that all the girlies are using pink blush. Now, I'm an orange blush girly. If you watch my previous video, you will know this. So I'm actually going to be putting on the pink blush, and then I'm going to add my orange blush over it to bring down the pink a little bit. If you guys have any blush suggestions, please drop them down in the comment section below so I could definitely go grab it, because I do like a blush that has like a more corally, pinkish, orangish type of blush. So if you guys have a suggestion on that, just let me know. To me right here, it was giving like chalky. What do you guys think? I did go ahead and warm it up with the other blush, the orange blush that I usually use, and it came together really good when I set my face. But girl, you know, see how it's like give unrecognizable. You see that green person that like flash in the background? Like, that's a paid actor. Don't pay attention to them. Anyways, for me, unrecognizable makeup definitely involves adding blush. There's no way you can get that it girl type of look if you don't add blush. Now, to bring everything together, I have to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter and put that directly on where I just put my blush, and it always just gives you this nice natural glow. And then I always add a little toops of it on my nose to just give that, you know, glow to my nose a little bit. Girl, it's giving before me even set my face, but when I set my face, watch this, watch this. Definitely add your setting spray generously so that you can lock in everything and set everything in place. And then of course I use a fan because I'm fancy. I think a fan is way more convenient because guess what? Like, who's gonna be grabbing for a piece of paper every single time? Now onto the lip combo, and girl, I'm telling you, this lip liner is from the beauty supply store. Like, it's not that serious. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get unrecognizable makeup. For me personally, when I'm lining my lips, I do not overline my makeup all the time. Like, I'm not an expert when it comes to that, but my lip combos always come out looking flawless and beautiful. But this lip came out so nice, and once again, it's giving unrecognizable Valentine's Day it girl makeup. It's so beautiful. I'm just gonna let you watch and see how it comes out. I wanna be with you. 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 Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. Who is this girl? Khadeennatalie, are you there? Is she in the room with us? Hello. And this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think about this one? I actually really like this. I really love this. If you guys want to know details on this hair, comment here down below. I will definitely send you the link to this hair. This came out really bomb. I really love this, and it's giving Valentine's Day. Unrecognizable Valentine's Day makeup. That's what I'm going to title this video. Comment down below and rate it from 1 to 10. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are still here, I want you to put 2 brown hearts in the comments so I know who my real MVPs are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.